Google's AI overviews updates have recently started to affect e-commerce shopping queries as well as tons of informational search. And if you have been anywhere with AI in Google, you know that they are starting to show way more volatility and a higher increase. So we're currently at 5% of all Google search results are AI overviews. And I'm even seeing with a particular client, a lot of their old informational queries, basic stuff that is a definition or a simple causes type article, are seeing declines in their organic traffic, particularly around just informational queries where an AI can answer it in just a minute. But as you can see, back in October, they were down almost non-existent at 0.65% of queries. In October, they started to move up and they have gotten all the way up to 5 to 6% of the Google search results show up with AI overviews. Now, this is very similar to the featured snippet, which is about at 4.73. If you don't know what a featured snippet is, it's a very similar thing where Google just answers the question directly in search, as well as instant answers. So, this is nothing new, but it is fascinating that they're starting to show up in shopping results as the Search Engine Journal article here reviews, and I'll share the link in the description. This is a great read. We're seeing that, there is some ads in AI overviews, which is crazy. I don't know how the general public will feel about ads within their AI results. We're also seeing YouTube being cited a lot in the AI results and all kinds of fun stuff. So definitely check out this article. But the summary here is that Google is having a lot of pressure to start implementing some AI into their search results. The use of ChatGPT has exploded since its release, and they have to show up with some kind of AI, even if it's just for investors and hype type of thing. Now, for e-commerce SEO, if you're in shopping and Google Shopping, everything like that, the main thing is that you have to be focusing on your money keywords, your collections, categories, Google Merchant Center. These are the places where we get the easiest wins, generating tons of revenue very quick. You can't be focusing on very basic sort of informational queries, which we've been seeing for years with the featured snippet, right? If it's some basic thing like this, but we're also seeing all kinds of AI results like this, typically for basic how-tos where it's like a 5-step process or a definition and so on. You're getting citations in these, as you can see, and usually these correlate pretty aggressively into the normal Google search results, but we're getting a lot of these YouTube videos cited here too. So that's an important part of it. But a lot of times the results within the AI are similar to the normal Google search results. Sometimes they're not though. And so you see some variation, which is very interesting. If you're an SEO person, you're already thinking about ways you can put your brand into this AI overview. We are too. We have friends that have done it quite successfully. So we have some ideas about how you can push your content, your brand into these results. But this is really the big thing right now, is that AI overviews have started to go more into the e-com bot. So if you're new to e-commerce, Google has its own e-commerce bot. They have a lot of rules for e-commerce that you don't see in local SEO and even B2B SaaS and all the different kinds of SEO that you'll see. Again, it's almost always just these definitions, overviews, how-tos, explanations of basic causes that are getting these AI overviews. The main thing is if you're in shopping or local. If you're in e-com, you want to focus on the actual shopping terms. So, whether that's backyard hammocks or tent or whatever it might be, you want to focus on those big money keywords in your collection pages, your product category pages, making sure that those are ranking well. If you have an SEO that just ranks for you for a bunch of information queries that aren't very useful, you might need to get a new SEO. You need to start focusing on these commercial intent keywords where people don't want a basic answer to what is a shoe or how to clean a shoe. You want to be talking about, the best shoes to purchase. You want to be talking about, here are red shoes, blue shoes. And this goes into our collection expansion process and so on. You need to be focusing on this stuff. If you're in local, keep doing your thing. Focus on lawyer near me or whatever it might be. Don't focus on just basic content trying to increase the keyword clicks, because really a lot of this stuff, if it's basic and can be answered in a paragraph, you're going to see Google take that traffic. These are my thoughts on the latest updates with Google AIO. Let me know your thoughts. I hope this was somewhat useful. Ask me any questions in the description or in the comments. Sorry. We're having a lot of experimentation in this period of the company, so I'm very excited to share with you guys results as we play around with this. Subscribe if you're interested in the newest things in AI, SEO, and internet marketing. Always happy to help. So you can schedule a call with me below in the comments or head to the website and you can get further stuff there. So thank you so much for your time. Talk soon.